Welcome to the Movement series from NEXGROW Academy. In this video, we'll explore one of the most misunderstood topics in geotechnical instrumentation and monitoring, real-time monitoring. We'll unpack the myth of real-time, why it's never truly instantaneous, and what that means for us as professionals in mining, construction, and civil projects. We often hear bold claims, IoT or Internet of the Things promises instant insights, manufacturers or consultants guarantee immediate alerts, and project teams expect true real-time response. But here's the reality. Every monitoring system, no matter how advanced, has built-in delays. What looks like real-time is always the recent past, not the present moment. Let's look at the data journey. A vibrating wire piezometer or inclinometer probe first measures a parameter. That reading must be transmitted to the data logger. Depending on frequency and protocol, this may take seconds to minutes. Then data logger transmits readings to a gateway, often using low-power wireless protocols like LoRa or mesh networks. Networks are not instantaneous. Interference, retries, and duty cycles add latency. Gateways typically manage dozens or hundreds of nodes. It cycles through them sequentially. This network scan introduces another delay before all readings are collected. Data must then travel via cellular, satellite, or wired internet to a central server. Transmission speed depends on connectivity quality. Once in the cloud, raw data is cleaned, time-synced, and stored. Visualization engines process it into dashboards and trigger alerts. Therefore, each of these steps introduces latency, sometimes seconds, sometimes minutes. What you see on a real-time dashboard is not the live present, it's the recent past. The danger is in false expectations. If we believe alerts are instant, we assume immediate detection and response is always possible, and that's not true. As professionals, we must set realistic expectations and communicate those clearly to our stakeholders. Do we even need real-time in every case? Not always. Take urban excavations. Settlement develops over hours or days. Hourly updates are sufficient. Tailings. Piezometer trends move slowly. 15 to 30-minute delays are acceptable. Bridge health monitoring. It's about long-term performance tracking and trend analysis, not second-by-second feeds. The lesson here, match data frequency to the nature of the risk. Here's the key. Geotechnical changes happen at very different speeds. Some are gradual, like settlement or pore pressure shifts, evolving over hours to days. Others are rapid, like slope collapses or structural failures, unfolding faster than any monitoring system can capture. That's why frequency must always be linked to the rate of change, not marketing promises. This reality reshapes professional roles. Managers must recognize latency and set realistic expectations. Engineers need to design monitoring regimes based on physics, not sales brochures. Regulators should focus on strong interpretation processes, not the illusion of instant dashboards. It's about judgment, not hype. At the end of the day, the value isn't in how fast the dashboard refreshes, it's in our professional judgment. Understanding limitations, interpreting delayed data correctly, integrating monitoring into broader strategy, and making informed decisions even under uncertainty. So, what should we do as professionals? First, rethink what real-time really means. Focus on timely, reliable, and actionable information. Second, embrace latency. Design around delays instead of pretending they don't exist. And third, build expertise. Move beyond tech buzzwords and invest in professional judgment. The industry doesn't need faster dashboards. It needs professionals who know what delayed data means and how to act on it.